Good afternoon, We're here at Epcot right now. It is rainy. It is 5 p.m. almost. And we are going straight to coffee, okay? We're going on Nemo! They are mac and cheese bites. Pepperoni pizza ravioli. We are all done with Ratatouille and we are just passing Morocco now. We are just taking it very leisurely right now.
As we power walk.
As we power walk, yeah. And that is the end of the day, you guys. We watched the fireworks and now we're gonna go home. We're gonna have a little bestie sleepover.